Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Outlook. To start, head over to outlook.com and sign into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once your inbox loads, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, then select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the Settings tab that pops up. With the mail tab open, click on Compose and Reply. You will see a section to create and manage your email signature to the right. Type in your email signature, then format it as you prefer using the tools provided. If you want to use a digital signature as an image format, click on the photo icon. A finder or a file explorer will pop up for you to find and select your file. Once you finish formatting your signature, you can opt to automatically include your signature on new messages composed as well as on message you forward or reply to. Click on one or both checkboxes, then click Save. If you want to add your signature only on select messages of your choosing, feel free to leave both unticked, then click on Save. In both cases, Outlook will save your email signature to its database. To manually add in your signature to an email, place your cursor at the end of your message. Click on the triple dotted icon to the far right of the send icon. After composing your message, select Insert Signature and then the signature you've set up will paste it in 2 lines below where your cursor currently is. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.